Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Ford Explorer. Stock number is A7295. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. We're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Michelin Latitude tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Second row and third row bench seating, so plenty of room. Up top, you do have a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors, and a camera. And then we're going to take a look in the hatch. There's a 50-50 split here on the back, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo. Dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Explorer on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.